Welcome back, guys. Again, sorry I've been a little slow to get the updates going this month, but you've heard me say in the last video, the shop has been slammed, our help has been out sick, and my wife and I are ready to go on vacation for our 15-year anniversary, so I really haven't had a lot of free time to get these videos together for you, but you should have an update every day for the rest of the month from me from here on out. Anyway, things are starting to cool off as we head into fall and winter here in Texas, so let's see how things have been affected. This is now the 5-month mark of our layered products longevity test. So everything has 1, 2, 3, or 5 layers. So as usual, we will foam everything down using Chemical Guys Honeydew Snow Foam, rinse it, foam it again, wash it, rinse to inspect the hydrophobics before we dry everything off. This hood is rotated either 80 or 90 or either 90 or 180 degrees after each update, so make sure it doesn't stay in the same spot all the time. Usually on this hood, because of the rounded edges, it's usually flipped 180 degrees. So the last 30 days weather as well as the lifetime weather is on your screen here. And as we jump into this, we've noted that last month the Griot's was getting quite weak, as was the Sonax. So let's see how things are doing. So Griot's, for some reason, I'm not sure the cause of this, why it's failing, but we are going to call 2, 3, and 5 layers on Griot's failed. 5 layers, there's just a hair hanging on, but I mean, it's to the point. We'd call it failed. Typically in other tests, Griot's has lasted between 8 and 12 months. So I'm not 100% sure what's going on. We did have record heat. There was a lot of heat here, but nothing has changed versus my other test. Nanobond still hanging in there, and I don't really see any difference from the layers. If anything, one layer is doing better. Meguiar's hybrid paint coating, one layer is a little bit weaker than the others. And Avalon King looks like it's doing very well as also. But yeah, I don't see any difference from 2 layers on down. Sonax ceramic spray, it's weak. If you give it just a second there for the surface tension to break away, it does come back just a little bit, but the original hydrophobics that it started off with so strong, they're done. Man, I think we're gonna call that failed. 5 months. And over to New Finish Graphene and Soft 99 Fuso. New Finish Graphene, 1 layer, 2 layer. There you go, the surface tension breaking. Not quite as hydrophobic as day 1, and then Soft 99 Fuso, 1 layer, not nearly as strong as 2, 3, and 5 layers. So we're finally getting into the nitty-gritty of this test as to the durability of the layers, and Sonax failing and Griot's failing. In my other test that you saw yesterday, Sonax had started getting weak, and it's pretty much good, looks like around 6 months. So maybe that's, close enough in this instance here, where expect Sonax 5 or 6 months, but again, it doesn't appear that the layering makes a difference. So stay tuned. We'll see how things are holding up here next month at the 1/2 year mark. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you soon.